Okay, you guys, look at all of these cicadas that are all here. Let me look at all of them. And then there's Ken's got this one here, and this is a Pharaoh Cicada, and these are the 17-year brood ones. Look at it, you guys. And they're just swarming all around here. Look at this one, you guys. And when you got to be very careful with these, because the copperheads love these cicadas, so you gotta be careful of copperheads when you see this many cicadas. And then there, I don't know if I can get, do you see that wasp? They're the cicada killers. Just looking for a cicada.